Hey Dr. Grissom, this is Blake. Alright, so this is my mock-up. The colors aren't final, neither is the font and stuff, obviously. So I wanted a simple sign-in page. I think the name of my app is going to be My Story. I can't think of anything better, even though that's kind of cliche. Font's a little fancy too, I'm not sure if I'll keep that. I wanted a sign-in button and a sign-up button next to each other, because I think I would like to have accounts for this with save data and everything, so that it can be accessed from different devices potentially. So the first screen they would see, if I don't have like a welcome screen, which I don't think I will in the scope of this project, is the stories screen, because my app is going to be for like making stories or storyboarding. Basically just a hub for your ideas and everything. So I wanted a tab bar down here. I'm thinking about having this one be notes, but I'm not really sure. But basically a tab for stories, which would be open default, and they wouldn't have any stories at first, so no stories, and then a button get started to create their first one. And then a characters tab, so that they can jump to the characters that they've made. Then a worlds tab, so that they can jump to like different worlds that they've decide to implement in their stories. Not really too sure about that one yet, but I like the idea of it. I wanted up here a drawer. I believe it's called a drawer, so that it like pops up from here out, and that would just have like create new story, or like just a kind of menu. And then this one I would like to be like options or something like that. Couldn't find a good icon for it just yet. Then this would be the same screen as this one, but with actual projects. So I wanted an icon for each different kind of story, like maybe one for a book or movie, so that it can be differentiated that way. And then the title of it right there. And you click on it, and then it goes to a different screen for the actual story. And let's see, do I have that? Yeah, so this is the screen that you would get to after clicking on this. It would have kind of a summary of the information that you want. This is just kind of generalized, so you'd have the title of it, and then this would change after saving this. Then what genre you want, names of your characters, and then I'm hoping to be able to link this up to here, so that this would only have the names, and then this would have the actual information, or maybe the name, you can click on it and then the information shows up, or something like that. Then a summary of the project, and then maybe just the name of the world that they're using, or something like that, and then the plot. And then also I have a character screen. I'm not really sure if I want like the title of the story, and then the name of the character. I'm not really sure about an icon for them, but I was thinking maybe male or female, but I'm not really sure. And then they click on that, and then the data shows, or maybe like a bar for the story or the project, and then you click on that, and then all the character information comes out, so they're like expandable. We had a project like that too already, so I'm not really sure what would be better, but I'm thinking about that. Then I have a new character screen for adding characters. I think that's what I'm going to focus on. The scope of this project is just getting some information stored and everything in user input. So there would be like a text bar here for the user to type in for all these. So like, just basic things like that. And I was wondering if I might try and change the tab bar for the story, like when you click on a story, so that it becomes specific to that story or project. Lots of things I'm thinking of. I like the idea a lot. It seems like something I can do a lot with and keep working on. I don't think it's too difficult, but it's definitely already got me thinking about how to implement some of these things and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's a good start though. I'm excited to implement it and get started. So yeah, alright, well, I'll see you tomorrow.